In today's video, I'm going to show you a marketing hack that launched 5 products and that generated $19,134.23 in revenue. Here are the 5 products from a vendor over at Warrior Plus. Now, remember when these products launched, I actually purchased them. You can see here, this is my purchase history inside of Warrior Plus. I purchased all these products. I actually reviewed these products as well, but I wanted to focus in on what the products actually generated as far as revenue. So I took that over to ChatGPT and it gave me a summary after I had a little conversation here and analyzed all the data from the affiliate dashboard over at Warrior Plus that shows the number of sales, the conversion rate, the visitor value, the average sales, and it even includes the refund rate. But at that point, I'm not really interested in that stat right now. We could analyze that as well. But I'm going to focus in on the summary of the fact that I analyzed these 5 products. And the total revenue was almost or a little over $19,000, almost $19,200. The highest revenue product was a private label rights masterclass, $4,500. The lowest revenue brought in almost $400. The average sale price, this is very important, was between $8 and $16. So it's important to understand that as well when you're creating your funnel or you are going to create these products and launch them yourself or use these products as a bonus if you are an affiliate promoting products where they match up and fill in the gaps for the products that you're promoting. So I'm going to show you exactly what resource or the hack that was used to create these products. But before I do, there's a link in the description. It'll take you over to a bonus page for this current training called the Top 5% Transformation, where currently this is under launch. It may not be if you are a couple days later on this video, but it's still worth the money even if you want to check it out then. This module is called the Money Tree. I did a video here. I'll leave that link in the description where I broke down the Money Tree and how far can you take your product. But the concept of this module and the Top 5% Transformation, all of the modules is about creating these products. And the hack that's not in this training, but the hack that you need to understand, one of the upsells, which I have offered a bonus on my bonus page, there's a link in the description, is for IM Checklist. IM Checklist is a group of checklists. They're information products, they're digital products, and they're volumes, different volumes of checklists that show you how to accomplish a task. Product creation, email marketing, social media, affiliate marketing, video marketing, Canva design, newbie marketing, message marketing, outsourcing. There are about 87 of these, I believe, or 84 of these currently. And all of these products are the marketing hack. All of these checklists, you can create multiple products from individual checklists or combine them together. And that's what I wanted to show you today based upon these 5 products and the revenue. These 5 products were created by one person going back to 2017. Between 2017 and 2019, this person created all these products focused on once you have access to, and this is inside imchecklist.org. It's from Kevin Fahey, the creator, the same person that did the training here for the Top 5% Transformation that walks through his business and how he uses all his products to include all of these checklists. And you can see these checklists. Membership sites, rebranding PLR for profits, selling on Etsy, building a website from start to finish. Focus in on this. Membership site ideas and growth strategies, rebranding PLR for profits, and then go back and look at these products. 7-day product formula, rapid Facebook profits, private label rights masterclass, launching blueprint, plug-in profits, black ops. Now, I purchased some of these and I did reviews on them as well because I was promoting them as an affiliate as well as learning from them. And here inside of the private label masterclass, there was a creating membership pages, and it was about creating a site or a membership site and then utilizing PLR. There was a link here for resources, and those resources were based off of creating membership sites. This is IM Checklist, volume 25. All these checklists show you how to create a membership site. This training was talking about creating membership pages or creating a membership site. Also, outsourcing. One of the things done inside of these products was outsourcing to build certain aspects of the product and also help them create the product. For example, in Plug-in Profits Black Ops, this was about utilizing PLR, white label, or buying a license to different WordPress plugins, but if you don't know how to operate those or you don't know anything about coding at all, then you could outsource that. Again, part of the I Am checklist. This was more than just a checklist. This is Kevin Fahey showing you exactly and walking through a slideshow of exactly how he does outsourcing, as well as some bonus training, and then giving you the checklist so you know exactly what you need to do based upon his training so you can accomplish a task like what was done by the vendor here when he created all of these courses. 7-day product formula. 7-day product formula was about creating a product, thinking about how to lay out a product and then launch a product in 7 days. The creator of this product, this is me reviewing that product again 5 years ago. Inside of here, he referenced I Am checklist, and he showed how to create a product utilizing one of the checklists, but then he also showed you, like I'm showing you in this video, how you can utilize I Am checklist to create your own product in 7 days. So the checklist were the formula, which he created the training, and then inside of the training, he talks about utilizing the checklist. Because remember, what you're talking about here is all of these checklists: product creation, email marketing, social media, outsourcing, offline business startup, WordPress, self-publishing, just generally speaking, make money online, search engine optimization, YouTube advertising. Each one of these is multiple products in and of themselves. You can also use this to create the product. You can also use this to create a case study of doing the thing that the checklist shows you how to do. Then you can combine them or use them standalone in your product and create your own product. It's about understanding that you have the knowledge. The information is being given to you here inside of the I Am checklist, as well as you get PLR and white label rights to take these and make these your own product, your own courses, your own content. And that's how powerful this is. To include me, myself, and I, when I was able to focus, I didn't actually use the Tripwire checklist, but you can see here a product that I recently just launched called Tripwire. I made almost $600. Go back to iamchecklist.org and look at all the different checklists and simply do this. And then a simple search brought me to volume 43, Tripwire offers. Now, again, I didn't use this checklist, but I actually learned from this checklist because I've been through all these checklists, and typically when I'm going to do something, I reference checklist. But you go back and you look at it and you say, great, cool, awesome. Now just think of all the other things: Bing ads, improving email deliverability, KDP and pod consulting in general. And again, these are volume 37 through 48. You have all these additional volumes that you can reference simply by scrolling through or going back and looking at all of the checklists that are available, and you download these checklists, you open them up, and they're all readily available for you to look at and create your own product. And again, Tripwire, almost $600. And Tortzen was the creator of these products back in 17, 18, and 19. He utilized these same resources in the training from Kevin Fahey and using the fundamentals and the frameworks, proven strategies, and he created over $19,000 from 5 simple products. Click the link in the description. It'll take you over to the top 5 transformation bonus page. You can see my full review of the product here. Then you can see everything that the T5T system, the transformation 5% system, or the top 5% transformation system. It's a training. You can also see my bonus, which is 1 free year to my 30-minute marketing members only membership. And for bonus number 2, if you purchase the Sell Now system, which will be your own offer, which is actually selling I Am checklist as a mid-ticket product, which I covered here recently on the channel as well. Link in the description to all the resources that I'm talking about. And then bonus number 3 is to be able to take I Am checklist and do what I just showed you here and generate upwards of $20,000 and more in revenue from being able to set up and sell your own products on Warrior Plus. Link in the description. It'll take you over to this bonus page. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.